We did a great event with Lexus in 2018 with the launch of the LC 500. Got to go to the Autobahn track just outside of Chicago and Joliet and do some ride-alongs and track driving also with this vehicle with professional IMSA and GT racers. Check this video out. We had a lot of fun that day.
All right. So here with Mark Walkichuk.
Hey, good job.
There you go.
Good. Seat belts?
Yep.
Alright, so did you drive the LC before today?
Yeah, I've gotten to drive it a little.
Cool.
I mean, nothing like this, but yeah.
Yeah, well, it's a type of car, it's hard to get most of it out of it, you know?
Yeah.
Daily drive, I guess. Well, we had a dry track, and now it went away. So it's gotten a little bit slicker.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's still kind of slick, so that's fine. You're gonna go wide of the line now.
Okay. Yeah, good thing we got these nice handlebars here on the side.
There you go, you got handlebars. So see how I missed the apex there?
Yeah.
The grip's more out here for that.
Okay.
If anybody drives, you can see it's kind of shiny, so I'm gonna go way out here.
Okay.
Do that.
This is awesome. Man, so when did you start racing professionally?
I started in 1980.
1980, wow.
That wasn't like professionally, but
You were going for it.
something like that, yeah. A lot of waiting for cars there. Anyway,
This is a great experience, man. Thank you much, Mark.
I like this mark. See across the pit lane?
Yeah. There you go.
All right, you already drove, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or no, I haven't, man.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Good catch. Good catch. All right, hope that turned out good.
Yeah, thanks,
Okay.
Mark. Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Thanks, Mark.